What's up, Bladers? This is Radical Ross, and today we are going over my footage from the most recent tournament up in Moncton. So this was Blizzard Bash up in Moncton, New Brunswick, and it is the second tournament that I've ever been to, as well as the first one that I've been to outside of Nova Scotia. It was a lot of fun. It was really great getting to meet some of the other Beybladers from outside of the province, and we're just going to go over my matches as well as the semi-final and finals. So unfortunately for this tournament, I decided to go with a themed deck. I was trying to do a medieval theme with Emperor, Wizard, and Knight Mail, and unfortunately it didn't perform quite as well as I was hoping it would. So out of a total of 46 Bladers, I ended up placing 25th with a 3-3 record, doing 6 rounds of Swiss. The deck that I decided to go with was Emperor Might on 560 Unite, Wizard Rod on 960 Freeball, Knight Mail on 160 Rush. So in my first match, I went up against Sean, and let me tell you, everybody talks about how hard this guy can launch. Anytime he's having a match, everybody makes sure to stay out of arm's reach of him.
But will it last out in the stamina match? Do what Knight Mail does. Massive hit from Knight. But not enough. Second bay. Wizard V Dran. Stamina versus the attack king. Blader's ready. 3, 2, 1. Let it rip. Oh my gosh. And that will be game.
In my second match, I decided to switch things up and use Emperor first. It was the one that I was most excited to use for this tournament, and I thought that I had put together a decent combo to try and utilize that weight behind it, but most of the time, when it collided with another bay, it deflected and ended up getting an overfinish on itself.
Okay, Blader's ready. 3, 2, 1, let it rip! Good luck. Blader's ready. 3, 2, 1, let it rip! Ladies ready?
Ryan.
3, 2, 1, and rip!
Ryan.
You know what he's doing. I don't know who's in this. Alright. Ladies ready? 3, 2, 1, and rip!
Jordan, Teal, and Jay right here.
Blader's ready. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Good launch. Contract Emperor heavy hit. That is the best day. Oh, but the deflect is the so you still got it right. Rod v Rod, Hexen v Freeball. I'm at a disadvantage here. Blader's ready. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Blader's ready. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Good launch. got contact.
For a second, I thought there was mid-air contact, but
Yeah. I was a bit hesitant on there this fall.
my Hex is surprisingly doing well. There's no scraping yet.
Yeah. There comes the
A little bit. Here comes the
like dashing though.
a little bit of teetering now. Yep.
That's good. Oh, base. 90 Phoenix. Attack. I love it.
Later's ready.
3, 2, 1. Let it rip. Good line.
One thing that I am pretty glad about is that it seems like my practice really paid off,
3, 2, 1. Let it
because
rip.
about 90% of the time when I tried to do a reverse X dash, it actually worked.
Close hit from Hover. Answer here. I don't know if it has it might be it for the Hover.
May 1. Alright.
That monster of a bit.
Later's ready. 3, 2, 1, Later. Contact.
Come on, Cherokee boy.
I thought we cooked up some pretty unique combos.
Yeah, what's that light on right now? It's telling you night. That's got really good stuff.
Did you run low rush, Chuck?
Yeah.
You're not liking this right now. I don't like all that.
Reshoot.
I'm glad I'm not the ref.
3, 2, 1, Later. Contact. No. 2 points. Alright. Hover versus Rod. Score is 0-2. Later's ready. 3, 2, 1, Later. Good launch. Good contact.
Alright, show this. On the side. Alright. Clear's ready. 3, 2, 1, let it rip.
Should have kept it on close.
Or kick. Show this. On the side. Waiter's ready. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Contact. Oh no. Oh, this is gonna be fun. Waiter's ready. 3. That's on me. These two are playing, it's 1-1. Waiter's ready. 3, 2, 1, then rip. Waiter's ready. Show this. Waiter's ready. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Clean. Contact. And now we're ready.
Yeah.
Is this the first time Halifax is going to average below 50%?
We might still have a chance to take the whole thing. We'll see.
Just redeem for us. Well, we averaged below half. But we won. 3-1. That's game.
So for our
Okay,
semifinal
here we go.
match, we have
Pack versus
Benny
Hub.
Blaze on the left
This is for
and
third place.
Darren on the right.
All right, let's watch
Benny
out for the
is
launch
using
area here. Ready up.
Hover Wyvern
3, 2,
960
1,
Low
let's
Rush, Shark Scale 360 Jolt, and Samurai Caliber 160
Just
Rush.
a little rubber.
Darren is using Impact Rate 450 Jolt, Meteor Dragoon 170 Level, and Shark Scale 960 Low Rush.
There it is.
Oh, man.
Are you on level? Jolt. Okay. 3, 2, 1, then rip. They're both just roaring. Oh! We got Samurai versus Meteor. Ready? 3, 2, 1, then rip. All right, freeze ant. Oh, I like it. I like it. I like it. All right, ready up. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Instantaneous pocket. That was good. 5 to 3. Second blade. Okay, there it is. There it is. All right, ready up. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Launch. Still alive. Oh, seriously, get in there, bud. Teasing him. You're on low rush, right? Yeah. He might just stay, like, if you don't hit him, he might just stop sitting.
And that's what I'm suspecting, is it's just going to spin to a stop if it doesn't get hit.
Come on. Still a stop. It is 5-4, guys. Anyone's game. One extreme will end the game. 3, 2, 1, then rip.
That didn't sound very good.
What's Samurai on? Rush? Okay.
Feel that spin?
Yeah. Yeah. All right. All right. Is that the blade?
I believe.
The faith in the impact.
I believe.
It's been good all day for you. Let's see it. Ready up? 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Right punch. Impact.
GG, man. Oh my god.
Impact rate for the win.
7-4.
And for our final match, we've got Ryan on the left and Fox on the right. Ryan is using Phoenix Wing 760
Okay.
Jolt,
All right. Here we go.
Shark Scale 770 Hexa, and Wizard Rod 360 Freeball.
Blader's ready.
Fox
3,
is
2,
using
1,
Shark
rip.
Scale
Launch.
170 Rush, Emperor Hunt Heavy on 760 Kick,
It doesn't move.
and Wizard Rod 160 Hexa.
That's a good start. Second blade. Okay. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Oh, that was a snipe and a half. All right, here we go. Third blade. Okay. You guys brought your camping chairs. We're gonna be here for a minute. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Launch. Good reverse X. No. Suck his dick. Yeah.
Oh, boy. That's a point. 4-2. All right, we got Shark Rod. Ready? 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Launch.
So this was definitely my favorite part out of this whole match. We almost had a simultaneous overfinish. They really had to check the camera to make sure they knew who went in first, but Shark Scale went in a fraction of a second before Rod.
All right, here we go. Phoenix versus Shark. 5-2. All right. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. That's aerial contact and relaunch. It is 6-2. Bladers ready. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Here we go. Oh, no. Bladers ready. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Launches. Oh, Shark wobbling. Phoenix wobbling. Phoenix gets it. 6-3. All right. Okay.
Literally.
Bladers ready. Yep. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Good launches. Rod takes this at 6-4, and then we're looking at a single extreme to end the game. Anyone's game. Okay. 6-4. Okay. Then blades. We have Shark Rod. 6-4 is the score. Bladers ready. 3, 2, 1, let's rip. That's it. GG.
So the last match was pretty interesting. Fox's Wizard Rod hits directly onto the extreme rail, almost pockets itself, bounces back out, and manages to overfinish Shark Scale. So I just want to thank everyone for taking the time to check out this video, and until next time, remember to stay radical.